Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Mutaomay 4000W Portable Inverter Generator. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Equipped with a 208cc, 4-stroke, OHV engine, this gas generator delivers 4,000 peak watts and 3,200 running watts, ideal for RV camping, home backup, job sites, farms, or outdoor events. Get reliable power anywhere you need it. Enjoy up to 14 hours of runtime at 25% load, with a 2-gallon, or 7.5-liter, fuel tank with a fuel gauge, fewer refuels, and longer runtime. Activate Eco Mode for optimal fuel efficiency, reducing emissions while extending runtime for your power needs. Power multiple devices simultaneously, whether it's tools, appliances, or RV systems, you're always covered. Only 56 pounds with a compact design, this generator is easy to carry and store. Perfect for remote sites, tailgating, ranches, and emergency use in no power zones. Solve the problem of no power area. Runs at less or equal 72 decibels from 23 feet away, about the same as a normal conversation. Quiet enough for campsites and home use without disturbing your surroundings. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.